Hello YouTube, thanks for watching the channel and thanks for joining us on this video of the slow motion camera battle between the Hubsan Zino camera, which is a drone, versus a mirrorless camera. I know, not a fair battle, especially against the M50, the Canon M50. That's right. You'd be surprised at what the results look like. I was, so let's jump into it and take a look. My neighbor and friend Dennis was kind enough to use a snowblower 2 days in a row so I can film. Oh wow. My neighbor Patty is trying to get home. Notice us until the last minute. In the scene coming up, I used my Samsung S7 phone to film the Canon M50, and I used the M50 to film the Hubsan Zino. Here we go, the comparison between the two cameras. It wasn't really fair because the Zino had perfect snow conditions and lighting conditions, while the Canon M50 had worse snow conditions and the worst lighting conditions. These scenes were filmed 2 days apart. So when the Zino here, it was 2 days after the snowstorm. And Richmond, actually, let me backtrack. Richmond, Virginia received 12 inches of snow. We had a big out of it. We shut down school for 3 days. I didn't have to go to school for 3 days. You can see the conditions for the Zino. The snow is fluffy, it shoots up in the air, it goes across the sunset rays, and it gives it like a sparkly, fluffy look. I mean, it's just fantastic. It's awesome. Versus Canon M50, we got flat lighting, heavy snow, and poor Dennis is having to work so hard to push the blower across the snow because, in essence, it's just slush. You can see all the water right there on the curve. On the left side, that snow is just flying like butterflies. I don't know, fluffy stuff, right? So, getting back to the cameras, as you can see by the text, both cameras were on auto. The only thing that I changed on the Zino was the white balance to sunny. It was sunset, and I knew that I was going to fly into looking into the sun, so I wanted to give it a chance to adjust correctly. I'm not sure if it did or not. You guys take a look and let me know in the comments below. We'll see what you think, what I need to change to make it look better. And you can see on the right side, the Canon is just flat lighting conditions. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. Oh, that's, and look at that. Those rays making that snow look so good. And this is the M50 filming that. And again, the M50 filming a tree full of snow. A little bit right there. Okay, here we go again. I wanted to break out the snow blowing session because it just gets a little boring after a while, so I had to throw something in it that make the video look cool. So here we go. That snow fly on the right side, it just, man, so hard to get through there. It's just crazy. Can't go too fast, so the thing will just bog down. Well, the Zino gives you really cool angles to film from, right? You don't have to walk on the ground, so you can pull it up in the air and move it around. Granted, it's a little bit harder to follow folks because you have to have the skills to be able to fly. And I know that I'm having a hard time with Zino because I'm so used to the Spark. Spark is not fast or sensitive, and I'm having to adjust those things. And when you put the Spark in tripod mode, it makes it so deliberate. Wow, look at that snow hitting that mailbox. That is so cool. Versus the poor Canon shot on the right. I mean, look at that. There's hardly any snow left. It's all melted, and I have to shoot snow in front of it. It's in front of the blower to be able to get that shot. Okay, here we go. Let's fly the drone. I had to put that in there because it's so cool. I'm tired of looking at the snow blowing. This is much better to look at. Easy, nice. That's why I like flying a drone. You get so much more creativity at your fingertips. Shall we say thumb tips. Okay. Back to the boring snow blowing again. Almost done, guys. I was trying to get the shot that were kind of similar to each other, and it's kind of a hard thing to do. I mean, you could probably do it if you had like 12 hours of editing. Oh my gosh, my eyeballs would be burnt out by then. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, press the thumbs up button, and if you want to watch future releases, press the subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.